Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will take a closer look at a few little common features within pivot tables. As per the previous video, you can insert pivot tables from the Insert tab, but you can also use a recommended pivot tables option. This can give you quick little ideas of how you can format your data set that you have selected. For example, we will like this one, so we can say OK. From here, we can add additional features such as formatting the pivot table field. If you don't like the layout, you can choose the gear icon and choose a style that you prefer. This allows you to be able to create a better view for yourself if need be. You can also sort your data in A to Z ascending order. This is very helpful if you have a lot of columns that you deal with, and you can then put them in alphabetical order to be able to find the data that you require. If you want to sort them back as per the data source order, you can do that from the gear menu as well. We can also change the design of the pivot table. Other than changing any type of colors, you can include or exclude subtotals, or include them at the bottom or the top of your pivot table. You can include or exclude grand totals, or you can even change the layout of the table. For example, currently by default it is in compact form, but you can also change to show it in tabular form. Notice as you change it to tabular form, it will add subtotals automatically, which, as we already indicated, can be removed. This is a nice way to look at your information. For example, it shows people's salary as per their classification as well. And you can use these little buttons on the side to be able to summarize your information. You can also expand or collapse them all at the same time from the right click menu. A nice little feature, if you want to be able to fill these blank spots, is you can then go to report layout and also repeat all the item labels. If you don't like this look, you can always go to the pivot table analyze tab, and on the options menu you can choose merge and center cells with labels, and that gives you a little bit of a different view as well. There's many different customization options that we will be exploring in later videos, but these are just a few that you will be able to incorporate into your pivot tables. I trust that you enjoy this video, and remember to like and subscribe.